Babyzen YOYO² is a versatile stroller that accompanies your child every day from birth to toddler. Sturdy and super maneuverable, it has been designed to provide optimal daily comfort to your child. YOYO² has double the agility and ingenuity with its signature folding and unfolding. It can be stored in the smallest space at home, takes up very little room in the trunk of a car, and can be worn over the shoulder. Catch the subway, get on a bus, jump in a taxi, or fly to the other side of the world. There has never been a more convenient stroller. YOYO² is extremely strong and light thanks to its high-quality materials. With its aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and fiberglass reinforced technical plastics, your stroller will last several generations. Features include folded cabin baggage dimensions. Carry it on the shoulder with its padded shoulder strap. Hydral elastomer suspension. It's a unique technology. 5-point harness. Anti-UV UPF 50+ water repellent fabric. Handlebar in soft faux leather and tether strap. It's supplied with a carrying bag. It has a basket that supports up to 11 pounds. It is warranted for 2 years, and the color pack allows your child to sit up facing the road from 6 months onward. It's compatible with birth when you use the newborn pack, sold separately. Available accessories in the all-new WCK exclusive olive color include the foot muff, the YOYO Plus bag, as well as, of course, the color pack in 6+ and the newborn pack in 0+.